Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam wahai saudara Lun Mandum, warih Lun Mandum, salam semua saudara saya se-Indonesia, setanah air, se-NKRI. Jadi kali ini saya ingin sekali membahas tentang tanggapan juru bicara uncrit alias UNHCR, ya, Miss Barbaloh. Jadi di sini dia menanggapi tentang aksi mahasiswa Aceh yang kemarin mengusir para pengungsi Rohingnya dengan menggunakan 2 truk. Jadi ada 147 orang dan mereka diusir oleh mahasiswa. Untuk mahasiswa Aceh, kalian keren, mantap, lanjutkan guys. Oke, di sini saya coba bacakan apa kesimpulan dari Miss Barbaloh bilang. Jadi yang pertama, dia menyesalkan aksi membuat imigran trauma dan shock, itu katanya. Kecamatan Meren. Oke. Kemudian khawatir tentang kesehatan dari pengungsi. Menurutnya tindakan ini hasil kampanye online yang berisi misinformasi, disinformasi dan ujaran kebencian kepada pengungsi. Itu katanya. Oke, mari kita bahas. Jadi saya akan coba untuk bicara dengan beliau, walaupun beliau nggak kenal saya juga nggak kenal beliau, tapi saya kenal lewat beritanya. Jadi saya coba dengan bahasa Inggris kepada beliau dan semoga video ini kalian share supaya nyampe ke kupingnya Miss Barbaloh ataupun ke staffnya dan pasti dia sampaikan. Okay, hi dear Miss Baloh. Let me call you with that if you don't mind. My name is Hasrati, but I'm sure that you cannot spell my name very well, so you can just call me Titi like other people call me Titi. Okay, so in responding to your response about the action of the youth people, you said that time youth people in the news. Yeah, so actually they are not only youth people, Miss Baloh. They are young people, youth people with educated people. They are educated people. They have a clear mind to their country. They have a full spirit to keep this country clean. They have a clear idea to what they have to do. So they are university students, not only a normal youth people like you said. Okay, so first that you say here, yeah, you said that you are really sorry. You are really sorry for this action. Make these immigrants, I would like to say they are immigrant. If I believe that you won't agree with this term, you will more agree to refugees, because refugees and immigrant have a different law, right? Okay, so these immigrants, you are really sorry. It can cause traumatic and shock to them. That is the first one. And then you are, the second one, really worried about their health. And then the third one, this is the most important of the most. You said that those youth people who did the action yesterday have been provoked by the news of online media. You said they are misinformation, disinformation. This is provoked by online media, and you are saying that time that this been organized very well. That you said that this been organized very well. This action been organized very well. And then also this, you said here, this online campaign contain misinformation, disinformation, and hate speech to the immigrants. So, Miss Baloh, before this day, the day that the university student have to kick them out of the building in Banda Aceh, many times ago, let's say, I don't want to speak about 2015, because at that time we accept them like a king and the queen, yeah, and the prince and the princess. Okay, lately in these 2 months they were arrived here in Indonesia, especially in Aceh. Many of them, they are like a village of people come here. And then, as you know, people in Aceh, first, they are really helpful. They are really willing to help. They give food, they give clothes, they give things that it might help them. Okay, that is the first thing. But what they did is really the opposite. I think about this you already know, Mrs. Balok. Let me speak about the content, the point of what I'm going to say. I would like to really to in the topic what you said, that the action of yesterday is the campaign, is online campaign that content of misinformation, disinformation, and content of hate speech to these immigrants. Let's say like that, right? So actually this is the end of patience of people here in Aceh. We already asked them to go back to their country very politely. We gave them food, we gave them clothes to go back to their country. Okay, but they refused. And then time after time, there were many came here. They came here. Too many people. We are sick to see this. We are Acehese people, is the province, the most poor in the Indonesia. So how could we can help them, that we are Acehese people also need help? So please, you are the UNHCR staff, the speaker of UNHCR staff, see with your clear mind. Don't be provocated by the social media who said that we are organized, we are disinformation, we are misinformation. It's happened in our country, it's happened in my region in Aceh. So we are seeing these things actually with our own eyes. We don't read, we see them. We read, but also we see them. So we know what we speak, Mrs. Barbarbalo. So please go away from Aceh and generally from Indonesia. We don't need UNHCR to be here. We don't need United Nations High Commission of Refugees to be here. If you want to be, supposed to be, you have to be in Palestine. Help our brothers and sisters there. It will be really helpful for the name, on the name of humanity. Okay, Miss Barbarbalo, we cannot accept that you say we are being provoked by the campaign, online campaign that content of disinformation, misinformation, and hate speech. I never speak hate speech to people, including for these refugees or immigrants. So please go away from this country. We don't need you. You can move your ass from this country. Thank you. Bye bye.